What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. One question that I'm always asking myself is, should I get a pre-built external SSD for video editing, or should I get an internal SSD and then put an enclosure on it? Because from the spec sheets alone, the internal ones seem to be a lot faster, and I don't know. It's just one of those things where I'm always wondering, right? So I go back and forth between them. And so today I actually got myself the fastest SSD, internal SSD that I could find on Amazon. And I wanted to try it out on my computer versus something that I've been using, which is the T7 Shield SSD, and see which one is the fastest choice here. Obviously, on spec sheet, that's what it says, is that the internal is a lot faster. But I want to test it out myself on an actual computer. And so I've installed the internal SSD on this ASUS external enclosure right here. This thing is pretty cool, by the way. It lights up and everything with the RGB. Very ASUS type of thing, you know? Anyway, I've installed it on there. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in using Blackmagic. I'm going to go ahead and test it to see how fast it is. And then I want to plug in the T7 and show you the result on that one as well. I'll go ahead and select that drive, and then I'm just going to say stress 1 gig. Let's go ahead and see here. All right, so I see 1600 write and 800 read. 1660 write again, and then right below 800 read. Yeah, it's pretty consistent with 1655 on the write versus the read. Even though it says that, you know, it's super fast on here, here it says like 7,000 megabytes or something like that, which is nuts, right? Well, that's only if you install it on the motherboard and it does things right. But I'm running this through even though this is a fast USB-C wire, it's still, this is the bottleneck right here, right? And so you probably won't get that kind of speed on an enclosure, because it has to run through a USB-C port, which, depending on how fast the USB-C port is, that's all that you're really getting, right? So there's bottleneck right there, even though it's super fast. And so just to point that out, okay? Now, let's use the T7 right here. Go ahead and plug this in. Select that drive and can start. Okay, so about 900 on the write, 646 on the read. The write now is at 827. The write again is right at 900. Read is 650. So pretty consistent there. I would say 830 to 900. Right below 900 is the write speed for the T7. And the read is staying pretty consistent now. 650 looks like is the magic number for the read speed. And there you have it. That's the live test right there between the T7 Shield and the internal SSD. I would say even you can probably get a slower speed SSD and put it in a hard drive enclosure, and it will still be faster than something like a T7 external drive, right? So yeah, anyway, let me know what you think. That's pretty much my live test right there. It seemed like getting an internal SSD would be probably faster than just getting an external one that's pre-built already. Anyway, up to you right there, but I just wanted to do that little test because I do a lot of video editing, and any extra speed will help me. Yeah, anyway, that's it for me. I'm out. Bye-bye.